Hey guys, what's up? Septile720 here, and today we're going to be opening up Pokemon Pin Pack. It comes with 2 booster packs and a cool pin. And today, guys, we're going to be using a brand new microphone. I have a microphone that I'm using right now, so if you guys can hear it well, then please tell me in the comments if this is better audio for your videos from now on. Okay, let's do it. So this comes with, we'll check it out when we open it. So let's see the back. So we give your collection a boost. Power up with your Pokemon Power up your Pokemon TCG collection with 2 booster packs and show your Pokemon pride with one of 2 awesome Pokemon collector's pins. Includes 2 Pokemon TCG booster packs and 1 of 2 Pokemon collector's pins. Okay, let's do it. Oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, got some stuff here. Okay, so we have, here's the pin. It's a Yveltal pin. Very nice, I'll definitely wear that. Now for our 2 booster packs. So we have Breakpoint and, oh boy, H-Bates Collide. Let's do Breakpoint. I haven't opened up Breakpoint pack. Come on. Come on! There we go. Take that little booster pack. Okay. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3 from the back. And we have a Perugly, Bayleaf, Max Elixir, Clefairy, Focus, Temple, Spritzy, Drowsy, Shelter, ooh, cool reverse Pangoro, and, oh, look at that, regular rare Pangoro with reverse rare. Okay, now for our second last pack, Fates Collide. Come on. Can we get it today, ladies and gentlemen? I'm looking for the Glaceon EX. Can we get it? Please. We got Rexian, N, Palucha, Minchino, Cottony, Solosis, Vullaby, Koffing. Ooh, look at that reverse Tyranitar and a regular ass Superior. That's pretty cool. Okay, guys, that's the end of this quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please tell me in the comments below, how do you think of this new microphone that I set up? It's you can't see it, it's secret. But we got 2 darks, verses. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And this is Septile720 telling you to have a great day. And, like I say, this is Septile720 signing out. Peace, guys. Woo!